For this episode, we're gonna start a new chapter and I will call it Healthy Series. We are going to make garlic shrimps and we'll put the shrimps on a skewer along with some vegetables. And also, we are going to make a healthy coleslaw with no mayonnaise. But it's nutritious and delicious. So stick around and I'll show you how. These garlic shrimp kebabs are flavorful, juicy, and easy to make. The addition of veggies makes this dish more fun to eat, and we know that this is healthy for you. Make sure the vegetables and shrimps have been washed and cleaned thoroughly. Let's mince the garlic using a knife. You may also use a zester or a garlic press. Let's add the minced garlic into the shrimps, which has been seasoned with salt, pepper, cayenne, oyster sauce, honey, and olive oil. Now let's zest a whole lemon. Only zest the yellow part of the skin as the white part could be bitter. Now let's add lemon juice from half of the lemon. Mix to combine once again and marinate and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Now let's prepare the grilled vegetables. Slice the onion. You may also use a white onion, but I prefer the red. Now let's slice the zucchini. And now the red pepper. When slicing these vegetables, try to slice them the same size so they will cook evenly. Now let's season these vegetables with garlic salt, pepper, and let's add olive oil as well. Mix them to make sure that each one is seasoned well. Now let's do the fun part, the skewers. These skewers have been soaked in water overnight to prevent them from getting burnt while grilling. Thread the vegetables alternately on each skewer, then the shrimps together as well. Now we're ready to grill. They look so good. Use a silicone basting brush or a paper towel and brush the grill with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now let's grill the shrimps over medium-high heat for about 3 minutes on each side or until the shrimps turn pink. Turning each side once. And this looks so yummy. Now let's grill the vegetables over medium-high heat for about 4 minutes on each side. Since we are using the same grill, the flavor from the garlic shrimps will incorporate with the flavor of these vegetables. This will be so yummy. I like my grilled vegetables crunchy but cooked with slight grill marks. Sprinkle some lemon juice and then garnish with chopped parsley. Now let's make this delectable healthy coleslaw. Here are the ingredients. For the dressing, mix seasoned rice vinegar, sesame seed oil, salt, pepper, cayenne, and honey. Now let's zest the ginger and then mix it in with the dressing. Let's chop the cabbage about 1/8 inch in thickness and 3 inch in length. Now the carrots sliced 1/8 inch or 1/16 inch thin. I added sliced green onions as well. Now let's add the dressing that we mixed earlier. And mix well to combine once again. Let's add the edamame, dried cranberries, and toasted sliced almonds. You may use any nuts that you like. Mix well once again. You won't believe how good this coleslaw smells. I like tasting this first to make sure that I'm happy with the flavor. I feel that I need to adjust the taste, so I added more pepper, rice vinegar, and sesame seed oil. Mix again and let's taste it again. Now it's perfect and amazing. Yes, delicious. I adjusted the dressing to make it perfect for your use, and the complete recipe is in the description. You may double this recipe if you like. And look here, it's so pretty. And now the best part of the day is the taste test. I have the grilled shrimps, grilled vegetables, wonderful coleslaw, everything's wonderful here. And also some rice. Of course, right? Okay, here we go. Wow, it's delicious. This is how we eat in the Philippines. With spoon and fork. Now let's have some vegetables. It's really good. It's sweet. The zucchini. Delicious. Now, our wonderful coleslaw. Wow, this is really good. Amazing. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. And I really enjoyed this episode with you, and thank you so much for watching. You guys are wonderful, and I really appreciate everything that you do for me. I do not take it for granted. Thank you. And I'm gonna finish all of this. I'll share with my son and my husband. My other son is in Florida, but he's coming for the holidays. So enjoy the holidays, guys. Enjoy your loved ones. A big hug for all of you. And a big hug for all your loved ones too. Enjoy them. And you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next video. God bless you and take care. Bye.